Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
To update the firmware on your Panasonic TV using a USB stick, start by downloading the latest firmware version from the Panasonic support website onto your computer. Make sure the USB stick is formatted to FAT32 and has enough space for the update file. Copy the firmware file directly onto the USB stick without placing it inside any folders. Safely eject the USB stick from your computer, plug it into your TV's USB port, and follow the on-screen instructions to initiate the update process. Ensure your TV remains powered on until the update is complete to prevent any interruptions.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.